Okay, we have to give Chase cough medicine, and he's really smart. So, any time we think of a new way to give him the medicine, he eats it and then he spits it out right away. And then, so watch. Oh, I got him that time. Okay, let's try it this time. Okay. So, that time he's, well, okay, you see how he spit it out and he's kind of...
Ew.
He spit out all the red stuff. And that's the medicine. So he ate the first half at least. Yeah, good boy, Chase. Come here. See? Look at this. Okay.
You're hanging, dear.
JJ, come here. Okay, good boy.
You see, there's a pet. Hang her, just leave it go.
JJ, come here. Actually, the cake is working. I think.